Welcome back to Manufactured Housing Expert. Today we're in Barstow, California, touring a beautifully renovated 1971 Casa Vega in the Holiday Homes 55+ community. Residents enjoy access to amenities such as a pool, clubhouse, and library area, while Barstow's proximity to Las Vegas makes it perfect for those seeking both tranquility and excitement. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home offers 860 square feet of living space and is priced at $64,900 with a low space rent of $550 per month. The exterior features a fully renovated design with lovely landscaping, a spacious porch, and a carport with room for a shed. Entering through the side entrance, we step into the utility area, which includes space for a side-by-side washer and dryer, plus extra cabinet storage. Moving into the living area, you'll notice how bright and open it feels, with plenty of windows for natural light and cozy carpeted flooring. The updated kitchen features white cabinets, vinyl flooring, solid surface countertops, and a white stove, offering both style and functionality. Adjacent to the kitchen is the first bedroom, which comfortably fits a full-size bed, has end tables, and includes a walk-in closet. The second bedroom is also spacious, with room for a full-size bed, end tables, and a standard closet. The completely renovated bathroom boasts a modern bank of drawers, a large mirror, and a shower tub combo. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly home tours, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of this home? See you in the next one.